So I got to a thinking. So you know full-size darts, right? You know half-length darts. What if you took a full-length dart and cut it down to a half dart? Would it work? Well, in this video, we'll find out. First, I need a dart. So, okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let's take darts of any kind. I'm just gonna use some elite darts. These are the standard nerf dart. These are garbage, so I've heard. This is an X-Shot dart. This is the Adventure Force Pro dart that came with this little guy. This is going to be our testing subject. I like this. It's a fun fidget toy. So let's find out. For materials, you will need your dart of choice and a knife or any cutting utensil. Also, for reference, I'm just going to use an actual half-length dart. So we just... There we go. World's first half-length elite dart. Should you do this mod to your elite darts? Yes, it makes them way better. Signing off.